For the last few days, I have been using Chat GPT for improving my communication skill. But as a human being, we always want somebody to sit in front of us and talk to us so that we can improve drastically. But it is not important, especially nowadays. Whereas some tools, AI tools, and science and technology has developed in such a way that you don't need any person sitting in front of you helping you out to learn spoken English. I'm talking about all these tools and techniques as well as application, which is nowadays quite handy and would help you to learn spoken English. Since I'm talking about Chat GPT, this is doing wonder in everybody's life. So why can't you and I also start using it and improving our communication skill? Today I'm going to talk about a very simple thing which you and I all, every English learner ignore, and this is very very important to know. What is that? See, whenever we start learning spoken English, be it offline, online, or with the help of any application and nowadays tool, everybody AI tool, everything gives you the basic foundation to start your journey of learning spoken English. And what is that? For example, they would definitely ask you to have good grasp over your English grammar and then practice, because without speaking practice we cannot improve spoken English. So when I started searching for new topic to practice my English, then I thought Chat GPT is also giving me just like any other human being topic. For example, if you would join any English institution for learning English, then what they will do? They will definitely start with your daily routine, your childhood memory, any conversation with your friends whom you met last time, or maybe the last movie you watched, any memorable moment of your life, happiest moment of life. This kind of topic are very very common when it comes to learning English. Why? Because these are the simplest and very easy topic. You can easily speak anything. You don't need to think much. Just like starting alphabet to learn writing whole sentences and then English paragraph. Same way we need to speak our. You need very simple topic, and these are the simple topic. When I asked Chat GPT, it also gave me the same kind of topic, and that time I was like, what the hell, what kind of topic this Chat GPT is giving me again and again, because I was rewriting again and again. But then I understood one formula: be it human being or any machine. Nowadays, because machine are helping human being more than any human. So, what is the purpose? The purpose is to, first of all, make you feel comfortable. Okay, and the same Chat GPT is also doing. They want English learner to be more comfortable with easy topics so that you can start from level 1 and can reach up to your desired level. But then some of us who are at intermediate level, they speak little bit English like me, who do not want, very interesting all this kind of topic. They want to jump into something big which give them a wide perspective of learning English. But then we need to understand that if we are not able to speak on this kind of daily common topic or easy topic, then what magic would happen that we can become a very fluent speaker if somebody gives us a very deep and different as well as, I would say, difficult topic? Of course not. You won't be able to become fluent in one day. And the same thing Chat GPT is doing. So I want to tell here is, I mean, what my point is, whether you are using Chat GPT or not, whether you are taking help of any book and learning your communication skill, improving your communication skill, what thing need to be keep in mind is start step by step. Don't miss any in between level, because foundation is always built by brick by brick. I mean, you have to place one brick, then another brick over that brick, and in this way we construct the whole wall, and then the roof, and one room and one BHK room, and the whole home house is completed. The same way the journey of English is uh, you know goes through. I mean to say, we think that if chat gpt is a worldwide famous AI tool, and now everywhere it is doing wonder, it will start doing wondering in learning English as well. No doubt it will, but the thing is, you have to accept each and every challenges given by it. Don't skip and don't judge it that it is also giving very simpler form of topic. And I want something different, something more unique. See, unique and different is not going to help you unless or until you are more comfortable speaking every form of sentences like past, present, and future. Here, in English language or any language, the game of word will show you result only if you are able to differentiate each and everything. So what my point is, be it simple topic or difficult topic, unless or until you are speaking with clarity of mind, or you are speaking with correct English, I would say there is no use of choosing difficult topic and running behind such topic which you think would do wonder in your life. So what I mean to say is, start with basic. When your basic is strong, then you can achieve any goal of this language. I mean, this communication skill you can improve in your desired way. You don't need to think that why. Sometime it happened, because what I want to say is, sometime it happened you think that I talk to my friend and he or she is just helping me in a childish way, in a kiddish way. I mean, they are not paying much attention over us, and they think that okay, let's talk about yourself, give introduction, and we get angry that time, that what kind of bullshit you are talking about. Am I here to discuss about my introduction? I want to learn spoken English. I mean, most of the time this happens when we are learning, practicing English with our friend circle. It happens most of the time. We think that if we choose difficult topic, we can improve English in one day, which is I would say wrong assumption of everybody. So use chat GPT, start talking and practicing over day to day's life topic, common topic, easy topic. First of all, you will see that if I ask you to give your introduction, you will start stucking. You won't find any way to explain your things, and that time you realize that how English is very difficult to learn, where it is not. Because the game of learning spoken English is to understand the tenses, use the grammar in right way. I mean, the rules, grammar rule, and practice as much as you can. These things will definitely bring good result to everybody's spoken English. Because practice, I won't say make a man perfect, but practice makes a man proficient when it comes to learning any skill, be it language skill or any other skill. So that's all for this video. Thank you, and keep practicing English on daily basis.